Well, good afternoon and welcome back to Piddle in the Marsh, and especially for Al at Layton Junction. We are running the Warships, although that's a class 24. Here we go, another warship ascending the hill. Right then, just a few little updates to start with while the warships are running round. I've added some more foliage to the bank here, which is like local foliage and a bit of gorse bushes, and also into the sidings I've added some white flowered type grass bushes, which I particularly like and I found it quite effective. We've also put them down the side here and around the signal box just to fill it in, because you always get tons of growth around these things. Now, I did buy all these with my own money, but I do love these bushes. And they're done by a really nice kind gentleman who I believe lives in Plymouth, called Drax Models or Drax Scenery. I'll put a link in the description afterwards for it, and he's got a store on eBay, and he's made these specially for me to go to my spec, so really grateful to him for doing that. I used them before, and if you look on the side of the hill, they're up the side of the track there, and they really do just set it all off. And in spring you find there's lots of this at the side of the track. So that's that been doing. Other than that, there hasn't been an awful lot happening. Oh, I thought we didn't do. We added a skip to the back of the electrical shop, because they're always chucking things out. And some of the gardens over in Bangor in the Marsh have had some garden sheds put in. One in the station, one in the back of the terraced houses there. And if you look carefully, just down under the tree in the back there, there's another one. And the other little shed that I put in is basically for the lamp lighters and everything else, just down by the engine shed. And that's about all I've really had time to do with the updating on the layout. I won't show you this because you're not really supposed to see, but if you actually look just down there, you can see that's where part of the join is. So I've just got to put some grass and stuff on that black foam that's just sealing the joint. So I don't know whether you can actually tell, but that bit from there and all the way along, and all the tunnel bit that you can see there, actually comes off in one long piece to split the layout, because it is actually in 4 pieces this. The other split is on a line up there. If you look very carefully you can see it, and again there's another split there. So I can take it apart into 4 sections and take it away. Right, we'll just let the warships go around one more time for Al. That one being Onslaught, which is currently, if I remember rightly, up at Bury on the East Lancs Railway. It's still alive and kicking, that one. We did have it down here on the West Somerset Railway, but went back a few years ago. I think this one's Druid, if I remember rightly. Just let it come back down the hill. Right then, we've had a quick change of trains on the 24. Oh, we've got some new rolling stock. Now, you've seen the 47 before. I treated myself to some silver bullets. Which do look, in my opinion, rather special. Especially with the couple of weathered ones sat in it as well. Now the other thing I got as well is some Hunt Couplings to go in the Mark IIIs here. I also got them to go in some Farish coaches, but they spat them out and didn't like them at all. So that didn't happen. So out of the pack of 10 closed couplings I got from Hunt's, 3 lots are in the Mark III coaches here. And although they didn't need it, the others went into the GWR HST, the one meant to look like one of the Castle sets. And they are quite good, they do not come apart. Now, where's my silver bullets? Oh, here they are. Coming around for another trip.